Good morning, dear students. You all are welcome to this video subject session of maths, where today we are going to see our ongoing topic on page number 25, that is to tick it down whether a particular angle is right angle, more than right angle, or less than right angle. I have my protractor here, students. So for that, let us see which angle is indicated here. So in this figure, students, this angle is indicated here. Now what you can do, students, to indicate and to measure this, so take a notebook and in that do some rough work so that you can get to know, okay, I have taken it. So I'm going to draw this angle like this angle is given like this, okay students. So if I have to measure this angle, I have my protractor here. I am going to measure this angle with the protractor. So as we have discussed in the last session, when this point we are matching with this and this line we are matching with this, and when the line is matched with the right side, so then we have to look it down that upside line is going which direction, is going up to upside. It means, students, this is going up to somewhere 120 degree, and I know that 120 degrees obtuse angle, and obtuse angle means more than right angle. So come to the book, students, write it down here, 120 degree and 120 degree. I know that it is, students, 120 degree is more than a right angle, and I will do the tick mark here. So let us do the next one, students. A fish is given and this is the tail of the fish. An angle is marked here where I have done the circle. So this angle is looking like this. It means this is like this angle. So take the protractor again, students. This is a point here and this one is a line here. So match this line with the protractor. Okay. This is which kind of the angle? 60 degree, and 60 degree, students, which kind of angle? Acute angle. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Students, less than 90 degree, I'll put a tick mark here in the third column. And as we have discussed in the video online session, whenever any angle is marked like this box shape, and whenever any angle is marked as the L shape, here one table is given and these are the foot of the tables. So students, this angle is marked here, this is 90 degree and this one also is the 90 degree. So 90 degree is of course right angle, and I will mark it down here. Let's do the next one. This is one book given here, and let's look at here how the angle is marked here. This is like this one, I'm drawing this angle. Okay, downside one line it is given, the point it is given here. Now I have to mark it down here. I'm taking the protractor, measuring the angle. Let's see where the line is going. This line is going somewhere between 30 to 40, students. This is, I can say that 35 degree angle it is, and when 35 degree angle is given, I know that 35 degree is which kind of the angle, students? It is less than right angle. Okay, so tick it down here. This is less than 90 degree. This one is the clock given, and these are the two hands of the clock. Let's see how the clock in this angle is marked. This one is going up and this is the angle. If I have to measure it down, I will tilt my book like this, and then this line and this point would be matched with this. Let's see where this line is going upside. This is 50 degree. Of course this angle is 50 degree, and 50 degree is acute angle, students. 50 degree angle is which kind of angle, students? Acute angle it is, and acute angle, I know that acute angle is less than a right angle. Again, coming downside, students, as discussed earlier, when any angle is marked in a box like shape, it is always a right angle. So I will mark it in the column first, which is my right angle column. So let's mark it here. This one is the right angle. Let's do the next page sum. What is given here? The same question we have to look it down, students. The same questions we can look at, students. What is given in this? Draw picture around the angle shown below and write which type of angle it is. Right angle, less than right angle, or more than a right angle. Here one crocodile is given. This angle is like this. So again take the protractor, match it here with the protractor, and then this is the left side, students. So when left side is given, we are always looking for the measures which are given on the upside. Okay students, upside measures we always are looking about it. So students, upside which measure is given here? This one is the 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degrees less than 90 degree, less than right angle, it is given. Of course this is an L shape, no need to measure this. This one is 90 degree, 90 degree means right angle, write it down here in the right angle. Let's do the next sum. Again students, these are two lines given. Now these are upside down, this angle is upside down, so no need to worry about this students. Tilt your book like this. And next what you have to do students, what you need to do, keep your protractor here, match with this, and see where this line is going. This line is going upside, this is 90 degree. At 90 degree angle, this is 90 degree angle, and 90 degree means right angle, so 90 degree is the right angle, this one. So next one students, what we need to do is that we have to measure it. Keep your protractor here, this line is matched, this is up to the left hand side and this is going upside. Students, this one is going upside, 70 degree angle it is. No, this is left side students, so we'll always look for the upside figures. Upside it is showing 110 degree. 110 degree is a kind of obtuse angle students. So students, obtuse angle is more than right angle. Now let's look at the next one students, angle. This one is angle given like this. Now let's turn the book, put your protractor here, measure it. This is 40 degree and 40 degree I know that it's an acute angle. An acute angle is always less than right angle. The next one is the line, two lines are given. Let's measure these two lines here. And after measuring this students, I get to know that this is 20 degree. 20 degree of course students is an acute angle. An acute angle I know that it is less than a right angle. Let's come on the next page students. What is given here on the next page? Okay, like this you have to do it in the homework. State the type of angle shown in the pictures given below. Right angle, less than a right angle, or more than a right angle. So students, here one boy is given doing certain postures, like he is sitting, he is keeping his head down, then he is again playing the games, then dancing, then running, then he is doing some activity, then jumping, then again dancing, then swimming. So here the boy's elbows position is given and we have to mark it down that what angle it is. Let's see here, angle is indicated. Keep your protractor here, and when I'll keep my protractor here, I'll get to know that this is 130 degree angle and it is a kind of an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle always students is more than a right angle. Like this students, you have to do this in the homework. So for today's session students, thank you, have a nice day to all.